Today I'm going to be making a rice casserole with some sausage meat, olives, and corn. Here are the ingredients. Jambalaya rice from the Dollar Tree. 2 of these heat and serve packets of sausage. They're pork and turkey sausage, also from the Dollar Tree. And probably about half a can of these olives from the Dollar Tree. They're whole, but I'm going to be cutting them in half. And about half a bag of corn from the Dollar Tree. I have some in the freezer. So I will start preparing. We're going to be using the rice cooker and the electric frying pan to put this together. All right, I'll see you in a moment. We're going to start by making the rice. I've taken it out of the package. This is what it looks like. There was a big clump of spices there, so I kind of broke it up with my fingers. Still a couple of clumps, and I think it's ready to go. There is 1 cup of rice in here, so I'm going to put it in the rice cooker and add 2 cups of water and get that started. Okay, we're ready for phase 2. I have about half that can of olives and drained the liquid out and cut the olives in half, and I'll explain to you why I did that in a little bit later. I also took out what was left of the corn in the bag, and I ran some warm water over it and defrosted it. And finally, I took both packages of sausage, it's like a pork turkey sausage, and broke them up in here. That's eight patties about this size. I'm going to break this one up, and that's what we're going to saute right now. I don't know how much fat these things throw off, so I don't know what the net amount of sausage is going to be, but we're certainly going to give it a try and find out right now. Well, I'm back. The rice is cooked and the sausage is cooked. There actually was very little runoff from the sausage. It's not, I guess, as fatty as I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and put the sausage in the mixing bowl I have here. All the other ingredients. I need quite a bit in it. I think this is going to be just delicious. Put this away. There. Now I'm going to add the olives. Now I told you earlier that I was going to cut the olives in half, and I did, if you can see them. My thinking was kind of along the lines of the meat is a certain size, a bite-sized size. The corn is fairly small, and I wanted the olives to be in proportion. So I'm going to add those. And finally I'm going to add the corn. Drain. I'm going to add maybe half of the corn I had there. So I'm looking at maybe half a cup of corn right now. We'll see what it looks like once the rice is in. But so far it looks pretty nice. Different colors. Right, here comes the rice. Okay, and here's the rice still in the rice cooker. I fluffed it up a little bit. It's I don't know if you can see, it's kind of a nice shade of orange. It's got a lot of paprika in it. So I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to start mixing it all up. There we go. Mix it up and see what happens. Oh, it smells good. It's looking pretty good. And you know what? I think I'm going to add the rest of that corn. Just going to finish off the corn. Adds a nice color. And it'll add a little bit more bulk. See that? I think it's totally incorporated. And you are pretty well good to go at this point. As you can see, I've gone ahead and put it in a casserole dish. You could certainly garnish this with cheese. You could eat it right now or put it in the refrigerator for later, and it would be a fabulous potluck item as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.